Today I'm at the Yorkshire Aircraft Museum, Conning Tower here. Gonna have a good look round. Starting off with the big aircraft, and this is Nimrod. I'm with a person that's flown in the Nimrod. We've got the Mirage, what is that for? French aeroplane, proud French, and look at this, a handy page of Victor, part of my dreams as a child. Another one of my one of my young dreams, jet provost. Remember them flying at air displays, etc. Gloucester Meteor, lovely British aircraft. And so early, I think they're from late 40s, maybe, don't quote me wrong. And coming up next is another one of my favourites. Another one from my childhood dreams, the Hawker Hunter. Blackburn Buccaneer, look at that. Showed the Yanks a few tricks on the red flag tests, even though it was a 50s aircraft. Douglas Dakota. Just been inside. Here we have the English Electric Lightning, and most boys of my day dreamed about this aircraft. And I've seen it at many air displays as a child, ripping up the airwaves. Another one of my childhood favourites, the Canberra. If you ever come here, you need more than a couple of hours to take all this in. Another Buccaneer. Well, that's the end of the visit to the Yorkshire Air Museum at Elvington.